Hey guys, let's get in here and work on pages 340 and 341. We are still classifying quadrilaterals. The question tells us to first study this example and then solve problems 17 through 19. So this problem says that there's a patio. It has two pairs of parallel sides and two pairs of sides that are the same length. So this side is the same length as that side, and then this side is the same length as that side. We need to note that all four sides are not the same length. So it has four square corners. What shape is the patio? And you can see here that our solution tells us this is a rectangle. It's not a square because all of the sides are not the same length. Now, number 17 tells us to draw a quadrilateral that has no sides that are the same length, no parallel sides, and no square corners. I want you to look at my examples. I've got a couple of examples here of shapes that you can draw, so just do your best to draw them. All right, guys, we are on the back. Now, the first question tells us that Freona cut along the dashed line shown on the shape below. She knows that she made two quadrilaterals, but we've got to figure out if either of her quadrilaterals are parallelograms. So this shape right here, I'm going to outline this one for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's her first shape. Let me find a different color. I'll do black for the second one. Here's her second one. 1, 2, 3, and it's going to share a side with this one, 4. Okay, so looking at those two shapes, it is very evident to see that neither is a parallelogram. Now we can't stop there, guys, because we have to tell why. Because there are no parallel sides. So if you look closely at her lines, neither one of her shapes are parallelograms because there are no parallel sides. All right, number 19 says, which shape is not a rectangle? I hope that you have heard me scream from the rooftop. A square is a rectangle. We know that's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. So it is this shape right here. That shape is called, anybody know what it's called? It is called a trapezoid. I'll write that here. Trapezoid. The reason it's a trapezoid is because it does have one pair of parallel sides. It has four sides and it has one pair of parallel sides. This one's parallel to this one. But these two are not parallel because if I keep drawing them, they'll meet. They're not an equal distance apart. All right, now the last question says, Ari chose A as the correct answer. How did he get that? Well, let's tell what Ari did here. Let me move this up so y'all can see it. So we got to talk about Ari's mistake here. Ari forgot something, y'all. Ari forgot that a square has the same, underline that word, attributes as a rectangle. So Ari forgot that squares have everything rectangles have. So that is why a square is a rectangle, because it's got every single thing that a rectangle has. Alrighty, so that is the end of pages 340 and 341.